I'm Ali and welcome to my channel. Today I have the Blissful Boxes for December 2022 to share with you. It comes in this gorgeous little pink box. Sometimes it does come in a black one with their name on it, and that one's really cute too. So it comes like this. So it's a monthly subscription. It's a beauty subscription, I would say. You sometimes get sort of beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, a few different items like that. It's $34.95. It's 6 to 8 products. You do usually get one business that they actually like tell you a little bit more about. So they kind of, you know, they showcase one, I suppose, but they probably just tell you a little bit about the company. But so there is an Australian one, and then there might be other products as well. I do find they tend to be like discontinued and out of stock items, so sometimes they're a little bit random and we can't select a profile for this one. So it's sort of a little bit hit and miss, but the last few boxes have been okay. They say you get $85 worth of value in them, which is sort of more than double, so we'll see how we go. So there again, there it is, and we'll open it up and have a look. Oh, now I don't know if I like the look of that. I've had a few boxes that have finished up in the last few months, and the first thing I see is an announcement going into 2023. So we'll read that and see how we go. But if I take the little paper off, inside, oh, looks like we've got a little Christmas decoration. That's cute. And our products in there. Quite a full little box. So let's have a look and see what their announcement is. An announcement going into 2023. Hi guys, we wanted to start off by wishing you all a safe and happy holiday season. We know just how chaotic this time of the year can be, so be sure to take the time to look after yourself. We wanted to make note of some changes that will be implemented going into 2023. For 5 years, yes, this is our 5th birthday, woohoo, we have never increased our prices, as we have always wanted to give you the best value for money per box. As prices around us increase, we find ourselves having to make a choice, so we have opted to keep our prices the same. However, you may notice the products in the boxes may be a little different going forward. Okay, where we typically focus on achieving a box with a mixture of higher value products, we will now be focusing on including more diverse women's products without a priority of retail value. Okay. We will still strive to provide high retail value where we can, however, this is no longer a priority. We want the focus of our boxes to be on giving new products a go every month despite their price tag. Thanks for understanding, and we appreciate you all. Well, that I don't quite know what to make of that. I guess it just means maybe will they not put as many products in their box, or will we get more samples maybe? I'm not sure. We'll have to wait till next month to see what happens with that one. So the December box, it always gives us some info about the small business they're featuring, and then on the back it tells you about the product. So we've got 6 items again. It does say that there is a you can still share a friend link, so I've got that listed down below. You can receive $5 off your first subscription if you haven't had one before. The featured business is called Balmy Bee, so we'll expect a lip balm. There's a Christmas sale. There's a subscriber only promotion for 50% off all top quality beauty products, and that's valid until the end of December. Then in the back, so let's tuck in and see what we have. So on top we've got a gorgeous little snowflake Christmas decoration. My son will like this one. He decorated our tree this year, and I know that he will look forward to popping that on the tree for next year. So we got that one. Now it does come in a little out of packaging as well, just with my shipping label on the other side, so it usually protects it. Then we have a Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Zero Break Pre-Shampoo. Works on hair before shampooing. We have received one of these before, and I think we might have even got it in this box. I'm not sure, but I did use it and I did quite like it, so I will use it again. This is an intensive oil pack deep conditioning reconstructor. Helps moisturize hair and seals damaged ends to prevent breakage. It's a $4.95 value. So we've got that one. Now we've got something wrapped in bubble wrap. Ooh. Let's have a look. Oh, it looks like it might be a bit dark for me. Stay Matte Powder. But that looks like it might be a bit dark for me. I'll have to have a look. Okay, it is a lightweight mattifying. Hang on, we'll read it off here. Read it off here. It says it's $14.95 value. Rimmel Stay Matte Powder Honey. Control shine and minimalize skin texture while looking flawless all day. The powder can be used as a warm bronzer or contour color all over the face. So that makes sense. I was thinking that it was like a finishing powder or something, and that's way too dark. But as a contour, then I probably would use that, or a bronzer. I've got one at the moment that I actually got a pressed powder and it was a bit too dark, and I do tend to use that sort of on my contour lines. So I might not get to this one for a while, but I will pop that one away to use. Then we have an Inoxa 2-in-1 Brow Shape and Highlight. Okay. So this is, that's two-ended. That looks like it might be your brow, and that looks like it might be a little highlight. Let's see what it says. This is a $22.95 value. The most convenient dual-ended smudge-proof stick. One side aims to fill in the brows with natural buildable colour, while the other side is used to highlight the inner quarter and brow bone with natural pearl tone. Oh, I want to check this out. Let's have a look. Because I've got lots of things open, but I really am interested in this one. It's a light colour, so my brows are quite dark. Let's see if I can get into this. They're always tricky little packaging, aren't they? Fiddly, and when you're trying to do it in a hurry, it's always very difficult. Oh my goodness, I thought I had that then. Here we are. Peel it, peel it, peel it. Always sticky. Always sticky. We're nearly there. Come on. Okay. Here we go. Bit better. Because it's the highlight bit I want to have a look at. Righto. So one end. Oh yeah, we've got a brow crayon. And it's quite light. So I'm not sure. I'll have to play with it a little bit for mine, because my brows are quite dark and abundant. I have very beachy eyebrows, and they are well overdue to go and have another go. This one is a, do I screw it or pull it? I don't want to make a mess. Oh, it's a crayon. It's exactly the same, but it's a rounded end. So let's have a look and see what that one's like. It's very creamy. Whether you can see it just there. So that would be great on your inner eye. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll try that. We'll have a go at that brow one as well. I'll put it next to that one so you can see. It's buildable. It's not that dark, but you can see it still is a nice brown. So it might be okay for mine, because I think the one I've got now is probably a little bit dark. So look, yep, that's good. I'm happy with that. So we've got that one. Then we have this is our Balmy Bee, it says. Grapefruit and vitamin E, or organic lip balm. So that is our featured company. So where was this company? Let's have a look. Doesn't say, it just says Balmy Bee, Proprietary Limited. In Essendon in Victoria. So that's the company. It's $8.95. Introduce your lips to organic, gentle on the skin lip balm. Moisturise and nourish your lips with easy to carry balm. And who doesn't need lip balms everywhere? Especially this time of the year when you go out in the sun and you do get a bit warm and dry. Then we have a Girl Boss Demi Matte Lip Cream. Look how bright that is. Sort of like a rose gold colour. And I'm guessing this is the colour we've got, which is quite neutral. So I'm quite happy with that. This time of the year we can sometimes get bright red lipsticks and they're just not good. So let's have a look and see what that one says. My camera's not focusing. Focus on that and then come back to me, please. No. Oh, I'll have to talk to you while it's fuzzy. A soft velvety demi matte lip cream that is lightweight and long lasting. Feel empowered and slay all day. Yeah, perfect. I think it's because I've just lost some natural light behind me. If I sit closer, sometimes it works. Let's have a look. Focus on that one and then come back to me. Come back to me. There we are. Thank you. Sorry, I keep looking at the picture so I can see what you're seeing. And our last one is a Natio sanitizing surface spray. So the biggest item in the box. It's a surface spray. So this is tea tree and eucalyptus sanitizing surface spray. Target bacteria the natural way of tea tree and eucalyptus essential oils. We're kind of all overrun with this kind of stuff at the moment, but I will hang on to it. And I might even, oh, it smells really nice. I might even take it to work because I do things like this on my desk and the counter and stuff when I see people. So maybe I'll pop it in there. Probably more use for it there than at home when it's just us. So, all right, so we'll do that one. And then we've got a couple of little bits in here. Normally we get Mentos and or little wipes, but this time we've got 2 little candy canes for Christmas. So that's cute. They are cute. My son will like those, and that's all we've got in the box. So, look, generally I thought that was a pretty good box. We'll just do a bit of a recap. This one I'm really excited about using, this brow one. With the inner corner for your eyes as well. So definitely looking forward to trying that. We've got the surface spray. We've got the mask. This is the hair like pre-washing mask, and I have used one of these before, so I definitely will like using that one again. This is like a bronzer contour. I've got one on the go, but I will pop that one in the cupboard and use that one. Then we have the lip balm and the lip gloss. Now the lip gloss actually matches the same kind of color that we got for the eyes, which is quite good, and kind of nearly matches my nail polish too, because I've got a plainish nail polish on today. And then our little Christmas decoration. So that's what we've got. So overall, look, I thought this was a great box. I'm a little bit nervous what this means, whether we're going to just go back to getting samples or something maybe. As a comparison, the other box I get, which is $22.95 a month, is Bella Box. They do say you get 5+ items, samples, and you do get deluxe samples and full sizes as well. And that one has awesome value. So this one, it's quite a bit more, so it's $8 more. And whether we get more value in here at the moment, I don't think we do. But I'm hoping that their changes will make it, you know, still not quite back to all full of samples and things. But we'll have to check that out. So come and hang out next month with me as well, and we'll see what the January one brings. If you're interested in trying it out, I'll pop the link down below. What did you think? I thought, look, it was quite a usable box, which I'm quite happy about. Sometimes there's a one item or two that I'll never use, but that's the beauty of subscription boxes. When you don't get to fill in a profile, you do have to get what you get and don't get upset, and just sort of see if you can share it around if you don't like them. But I will use all of these products. It just might take me a while to get to them. I did have someone ask a while ago about what I think of some of the products that I get. I've got so many products now that I'm not always getting to try them out more than once or twice or even at all before the next box comes. So I've decided, starting in January, I'm going to be collecting my rubbish. I'm going to be doing an empties video for you, which is telling you what I think about the products once I have completed the product. So at the end of every month or early the following month, we'll just have to see where it fits in. I will do an empties video and show you what I've used up that month, what I've gone through, and what I really do think about it. I think that's the best way to show you. I have had inner sort of arguments with myself about that, because I collect enough full-size products. I didn't know about collecting my empties as well for a whole month and then showing you. But I have seen a couple of empties videos. There's 3 particular girls that I watch on YouTube. They all do empties videos. A couple of them do monthly, and another one does an empties when she can fit it into her channel. And I think that that really is a good way to let you know how those products worked even if you've only got a sample size, you can still use it a few times to let you know what you really think. So I'm going to do that. I'd love to know your thoughts on that, because I'll try it for a few months and see how I go. And if having that stuff sitting around annoys me too much, then I won't do it. But if you're enjoying it, then I will keep up with them. So in the meantime, I hope you're having a great day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.